awesome people. I'm Athar and this is my super fun channel. Get ready for smiles, surprise and lots of learning. Hello awesome people. Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how I made this DIY. If you haven't watched it yet, do check it out. Today I'm going to test this ship and see how well it floats in the water. I'm really excited to find out if it works. Wow! I'm putting it in the water. Yay! It floats! That means the design really worked. The bottle and the foam help it stay up on the surface. Do you know why it floats? Because of the material I use, it's very light and it don't sink in the water. The shape also helps us balance. I really enjoyed making this and testing this shape. If you like this experiment, give this video a thumbs up. In my next video, I will try adding some new things. So stay tuned. Bye. Subscribe now and ding ding the bell. Magic is coming. Share it with everyone, please.